Hi, everybody. I'm going to talk about multiplying binomials. And the thing to remember when multiplying binomials is the term FOIL, which stands for the first, outside, inside, last. So, for example, if you have a binomial, and this is what that looks like, you're basically distributing. This is the answer for the first quadratic expression I did in another video. So when you factor a quadratic expression, you end up with these binomials, which are multiplying against each other. So FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last, and so you would multiply the first terms, all right, x times x, the first terms, the outside terms. I draw an arrow all the way over there, and that would be x times 4 or 4 times x. The inside terms, right there, those two inside terms. So first outside, inside, 6 times x times times. And then the L is the last term, okay? Which is 6 times 4. So x times x becomes x squared. X times 4, you would change it to 4x. You can change the order because of the commutative property, which basically means instead of x times 6, you'd write it as 6 times x. You'd have the number in front of the variable. Because with the commutative property, basically 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 2 also equals 6. So the order doesn't matter in multiplication. The order does matter in subtraction and division, but not in multiplication and addition. 6 times 4 is 24. So now that you have these, you just want to put them in order. And so you'd have x squared plus 4x plus 6x plus 24. So before we can finish it, we want to combine like terms. Do we have any like terms? Yes. 4x and 6x are like terms, so we can combine those like terms to be 10x. So let's just rewrite it. X squared plus 10x plus 24. And let me slide it up a little bit better. And then we put a box around our answer. When we do algebra, we put a box around our final answer, because sometimes you have so much going on that putting a box around it helps make sense for other people. And so that is how you multiply binomials. You just have to remember FOIL, and you want to get those arrows popping, and then you have to simplify it in the end, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.